Hi everyone, it's Christine, and here's what's new at Restore Therapy Spa for the month of August. First, I'd like to introduce you to two new employees. The first is Tabitha. She is a licensed physical therapy assistant who has years of experience treating patients with a variety of issues. She is now lending us her expertise as a stretch therapist and corrective exercise specialist. The second is James. He's been a licensed massage therapist for 5 years, and he specializes in lymphatic drainage and sports massage. He also gives a mean Swedish massage and deep tissue. You may have seen, we're so excited, we finally got Hydrafacial at Restore Therapy Spa. So Hydrafacial is a non-invasive treatment aimed at purifying, exfoliating, and hydrating your skin. It's designed for all skin types and is well tolerated by even the most sensitive. The magic is in the wand. It uses vortex fusion technology to painlessly extract impurities from your pores while simultaneously infusing your skin with skin-loving ingredients. It's amazing. You're gonna love it. And we are also giving you 2 ways to save on it this month. First, we're offering you 10% off of all Hydrafacial packages for the entire month of August. We're also offering you free eye or lip treatments with a Platinum Hydrafacial package purchase. That's a tongue twister. You can learn more about all of our Hydrafacial treatments and package options at this link. And last but not least, we put together a special package for you for the month of August. It's called the Hydrate Package. So in this package, you get 1 Hydrate infusion or 4 vitamin C injections. You also get 1 hydrating body scrub and 4 Saluma sessions. So this package was expertly designed to quench your skin from the inside out. It's a $479 value, and we are offering it to you for $249. So definitely check that out. If you have any questions, you can go see the front desk. Just wanted to take a second to remind you of our Referral Rewards program. So every time you refer a friend to Restore Therapy Spa and they book an appointment and give us your name, you will get a $10 gift certificate added to your account. So we really appreciate your referrals. Please keep them coming. We always appreciate a Google review as well. These things do wonders for a small business such as ours. So thank you for all the small business support, and we'll see you next time. Be well.